This relationship, look here, y'all. I've gotten past being up at night laughing. I don't want to laugh no more. I mean, I got past you being able to tell me I love you. I don't want that no more. I mean, I know that now. I got past you telling me you care about me. Nowadays, I want a shoulder I can cry on. I want somebody when I need it, you may have it. I want somebody that understands me. I want somebody that pushes me. Someone who's able to go through the storm with me. Everybody can't do that. Everybody can listen to your storm, but can't everybody go through your storm.
Come on!
So I'm looking for somebody. See, that's what we have to understand, y'all. See, your connection, see, how can I say, the way you relate to people causes a connection in you to pull you where you're supposed to be at.
All right.
And a lot of us, and most of our relationships, we do not relate accordingly, or we find ourselves, watch this, look here, y'all, if there's no benefit in the relationship, before you change, how about you move away to find out if you're missing something?
All right. I
guarantee you, some of us, if we moved out of some of the relationships we're in, we'll find out we weren't missing nothing anyway.
Amen.
No. You'll miss the stress. You'll miss the depression. You'll miss the hurt if you moved out the relationship. But if that person, I don't want to deal with people who can't relate. Let's just be honest, y'all. If you do not know how to relate to me, then I don't want to deal with you.
All right.
Because what's going to happen is you're going to frustrate me, because once you really find out who you are and know who you are, and people don't relate to you right, it frustrates you. I bust little Mike upside the head every time he relates to me like one of his friends at school.
That's right. That's right.
It frustrates me when he thinks he can talk to me like them.
Come on now.
It frustrates me when he want to jump. You ever had him put out the chest and want to pump up and look at you and give you that look like he give a friend? No, that's because he has not learned how to relate yet, so I'm going to teach him how to relate.